baby. Reggie. Reggie. Reg.
Oh, he's posing. Good boy.
Go and try and jump on him, Ebony.
Oh, well, God, no. You need a helmet.
You just done it, Ebony.
Go, Tiana, try and jump on him.
I might kick Vicky.
Well, don't kick Vicky.
Want me to... How about...
He's looking at you like, what are you doing? No.
Go on.
For a booster.
Yeah, go on, go.
Just watch he doesn't walk forward to that bucket.
1, 2, 3, go.
What?
Jump! Jump!
I'm doing it on the floor.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, dog.
Cody, come here. Come here.
Now let's try and stand up on him. Oh no, you're dirty. He's rug, Tiana.
Yeah, take Ebony, give me a boot.
No, it's going to get dirty.
Watch out, Vicky. They're going to drop.
What you gonna move with Vicky underneath him?
Okay. 7.
Stay there. Stay there. Help it, Reggie. Help it. Planking.
No, you got to go the other way for planking.
Oh, you gotta get started, yeah. Harder than it looks. That's not planking.
And what we used to do was hang on and then backflip off.
Yeah.
That.
No, you got no shoes on
On
her.
the side. Yeah.
You got no shoes
Put
on.
your shoes back on.
Maybe this way, honey, so you don't fall into the bush.
Other foot.
Don't fall on your head. Tiana's not riding gypsy tomorrow. I mean, Ebony's not riding gypsy tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. You won't be able to hold her.
No, not you. You probably wouldn't, Ebony. That was one hand. Normally do it with a saddle on, so be careful.
The rug's gonna move too much.